Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to erase all content and settings on your iPhone. This process completely wipes your device, removing apps, photos, accounts, and personal data, and restores it to factory condition. It's especially useful if you're selling your phone, giving it away, or starting fresh with a clean device. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on the General option. Scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Erase all content and settings. Finally, tap on Continue, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. And that's it! Your iPhone will now begin the reset process, and once it's complete, it will be restored to its original factory settings. Remember, this action erases everything, so always back up your important data before performing this step. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.